Now let's learn about how to make a sound on the flute. Basically, how the sound is produced on the flute is that we blow air into this hole, the embouchure hole, and the air resonates inside the instrument, and that is what creates our beautiful sound. So let's get straight to learning how to make a sound. What we want to do before we actually try to make a sound on the head joint is understand about the lip position for playing the flute, which in our musical language we call Amboshur. So Amboshur is the particular lip position that we have for playing the flute. And let's learn to form it. So the first thing you want to do is just relax your lips. Have your lips be together, but relax, just like you're sleeping, just like this. And then you can firm up the corners of your lips ever so slightly and start saying the letter P through the center of your lips, just like this. So as you can see, the corners of my lips are slightly firmed, and I'm letting the air escape through the center of the lips. Now, one thing that you don't want to do is you don't want to have a smiling embouchure. That's kind of, I can say it's a mistake that some people are taught. I was actually taught this myself when I first started learning the flute. Is my teacher told me that I should smile and then blow through the center. That is something that you should not do. If you see this kind of embouchure taught anywhere, like on YouTube videos or something, just know that that is very unhelpful and that will create lots of tension in your lips and basically will make it very hard for you to play later. So now let's use our finger, this index finger, and let's place it right under our bottom lip like this. And let's firm up the corners of our lips a little bit, and let's blow the air through the center of our lips and saying the syllable P. Let's try to do that. Do it with me. One thing that you want to make sure you're not doing is you don't want the hole in your lips to be too big. So you don't want to think of saying, making it be like an O. So you don't want to do like this. This is kind of the biggest mistake that beginner flutists make, is they make their embouchure hole too big. And when we make our embouchure hole too big, we cannot get a good sound. So let's try to put our finger again under our bottom lip, and let's firm up the corners of the lips a little bit, and let's say the syllable P through the center of our lips, and let's try to keep the hole in our lips really small, kind of like mine is, if you can take a look. Actually, you can think of the corners of your lips being firm and coming down a little bit, kind of like a pouty face. So think of the corners of the lips a little bit firm, coming down a little bit, and the hole in your lips is very small. Really focus on this hole in the lips being really small, because this is essential to being able to get a sound on the flute. So let's try once more. All right,